Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video guys, I'm actually installing some Continental winter tires. That's right. Mounted on some Volkswagen original steel wheels, and I'm going to be covering them with an aftermarket but still Volkswagen emblemed hubcap in a nice new and modern design. So guys, these here are the original all-season tires and all-season wheels that came with this car. Okay, that was the back. Here's the front. I'm now going to be unmounting them and mounting on brand new Continental winter tires on black steel wheels with aftermarket hubcaps. So without further ado, on to the video guys.
Few minutes later.
So guys, I'm now here on the passenger side, and as you can see, I've already put on the Continental tires, the steel wheels, already on both wheels on the passenger side. There they are. Absolutely wonderful. They're the winter contact wheels, okay? In 195/65 R15. Alright guys, I got these tires secondhand. They're originally from a Volkswagen Mark 6 Jetta, but because the bolt pattern is the same, they immediately fit onto this car. And also the stock tire size matches on them as well with this car. So that's why I went ahead and bought them. I paid half the money as they were valued at brand new, and they were only used about a year or so. So I'm guessing 3 or 4 months for the winter months before the owner took them off. He now purchased a Toyota 4Runner and sold his Volkswagen Jetta Mark 6. That's why basically he was selling them. So let's continue on now guys with the video and do the other side.
A few moments later.
So now guys, as you can tell, I flipped the car around the other way, parking it backwards. You can see here the winter tires are still installed. Alright, and these ones here are still all seasons. So I've got my impact gun, I've got my jack. Let's go ahead now and get to work and install the new winter tires on this side of the car.
One eternity later.
And just like that guys, all 4 tires have been changed out to the Continental winter ones with the steel wheels. You guys can see them here. They've been changed, and you guys just saw them here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and now put down my heavy duty service jack, a 3-ton one of that. And just like that, the service jack 3-ton jack is down and the car is good to go. The hubcaps I've got for it are these right here. It's an aftermarket hubcap, most likely coming out of China. Alright, it's got the metal ring going around it with nice clips. So hopefully this will install quite easily and quite well. They included in the package a Volkswagen center cap. If you guys would like to purchase these hubcaps, I will leave an AliExpress link down in the description box below. Alright, I've got 4 of them. They came in a pack of 4 obviously. The other 3 are just behind me. So I'm going to go ahead now and install them.
Few minutes later.
So I just installed the first one. Looks not too bad. The problem guys is the actual lug bolts. You can see them quite easily. So that's the main problem of these hubcaps. And just like that, the hubcaps are fully on. All 4 of them. There's one. There's the other one. There's the rear passenger side one. And the front passenger side one. Absolutely wonderful. I love the look of them guys. Oh my goodness. So there you have it guys. I'm wrapping up this video. I concluded to install zip ties on the actual hubcaps because they weren't pushed in all the way. There's a bit of gap on the edge of the hubcap. You can see a gap right there, you see? So therefore they're not really the right size or the right type for this type of steel wheel and I guess car. So install that zip tie in hopes of them holding on and not coming off. You can see the one here at the back. It also has a zip tie installed. So that guys effectively ends the video. Please guys drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on an upcoming video.